Let me go give it to your mom right now, actually. Because I thought Jamie was having it, but she was having a period.
Oh.
Huh?
I said, oh. Alright, Belt. I love you. I love you. I gotta do this, okay? I still love you. Okay. Alright, today we are going to look at a code to figure out what kind of triangle we're dealing with here. I got this prompt from online. It says, determine if a triangle is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. An equilateral triangle has all three sides the same length. An isosceles triangle has at least two sides the same length. It is sometimes specified as having exactly two sides the same length. My big fat face is in the way. Hold on. Scalene triangle has all sides of different lengths. For a shape to be a triangle, at all sides have to be of length of above 0, and the sum of the lengths of any two sides must be greater. So this is kind of what they're telling us to do here. But what we're going to do is first of any two sides must be greater than or equal to the length of the third side. Okay. Now it's the tricky part. It's not too bad actually, so we're going to actually snag this from this code right here, which basically takes care of what it's asking right here. All sides have to be greater than 0. So we're going to add it actually at the top here. Define, I think we already put that in the, yeah. Very useful. So define get float input as prompt. S prompt is this. This is what we're asking. So we're going to change input to get float input so it does that. So while true, try f value is float, the input of that. So basically, whatever this is, it is basically creating it into a value that we can use. And then it tells us if that value is less than or even equal to 0, it's going to tell the user to give us a number more than 0. Yeah, because it has to be of length. All sides have to be of length 0. Great, or yeah, so 0 is not included. And then continue basically swipes us all the way back up. If it's false, if it's true, if it's false, it'll continue and give us this, which is basically if we entered something that's not a number, tell us to enter a number, goes back to the top. So here, we want to use this get float input. So basically we just say that, get float, and you can see it's already in here because oh, actually it's in all of my things, so that's kind of cool. I didn't know that. Give me that. Yeah. Huh. So even if you're using a different code, it will still pop up if it's in your same file. Okay, we'll just type it out. Get float input. Input. One more time. It is case sensitive though, so gotta make sure we keep that in mind. Why is this house being weird? Let's go to that. My fault. I'm bad. Anyways.
You have to clip out so much shit.
Yeah, now I do. Making work overtime over here.
That's what you get.
I need if statements.
If and or buts.
If because of the A. If A plus B is greater than or equal to C, then we know it's this. If A plus B is less than this, and blah 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 blah. No. You can go get it, Brownie. I'm not hungry still. if okay, if IA is okay, wait. So if two sides are the same, my fault. But last side is different, then it's in
So how do you word that? If I
isosceles. So if IA is less than IB and IA is also less than, oh my god, no, it's having IC. That's all we want. Semicolon. Need that. IA. We'll say we'll call it.
Isn't that a scoliosis?
No, it's a scalene. Different lengths. So
Why
if
did I
it's
say
less than,
scoliosis?
wait.
See, this is why I shouldn't be in these things helping you, because I'm distracting you.
No, you're
and I
good.
just fucked up this whole thing up.
I don't care. Oh god, I gotta put my thinking cap on over here. Because what if that's a lot of if statements. Oh no, wait, it's process of elimination. So if IA equals shit. Blah blah blah. I don't know. Let A, B, and C be the sides of the triangle, then all three of the following expressions must be true. Oh. Okay. Okay, so we got if IA plus where's the plus sign? God damn it, there it is. IA plus IB is greater than or equal to, which greater than or equal to, we do it like that. IC this might be a while true.
If IA plus IB is equal to IC, do that one first. That one would be easier. Right? Because that would be the equilateral one.
Hold on. Bam. Semicolon. So if IA plus IB is greater than or equal to C, I will do less than actually. I'm gonna do less than. Print. It can't be a triangle if it's. I'll do not a triangle. Not a triangle.
But it is a triangle, it's just different shaped triangle.
What the heck? Okay, this is like really... Oh, I see what happened.
Hey, Brucey, are you okay if I go wash my face and stuff?
Semicolon. I'll keep reading my semicolons. Wait. Wait a gosh darn minute. I need... What is this? Oh, it's because there's two parentheses. Why? Why did I do that? I keep confusing myself. What's going on here? Why is this like this? We'll call it I try angle. Let's not abbreviate everything here. Equals what is up with this? Why is this red? Wait. I'm tweaking, y'all. I am tweaking. I'm sorry, I went silent, y'all. I'm really locked in right now, thinking about this. And then we're gonna switch. We'll do A with C. Come on. Oh, I'm hitting control. What? What happened? Am I tweaking? I'm missing a line. Oh, jeez. No. Fuck. I fucked up this one. Okay. Why you gotta do this to me? Why you gotta do this to me? What? Did I not? I'm tweaking. Continue. I want this whole thing, and I'm just gonna change a little bit of this, and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I could do that, no? I'm gonna do that. If IA plus IB is less than or equal to IC, or that, or yeah, see, yep. By charm, you know me so well. So we want to make sure if it's any of these, print okay, that looks right. We're gonna get rid of this. I complicated the crap out of that. I'm probably gonna cut it, but if you're here, I was trying to make like this loop thing that just wasn't computing. We're gonna get rid of all that. Ah, shit, what'd I do? Get rid of this. I did get rid of it. Okay, cool. Alright, so we got that. We need our main here. What's wrong with it? I don't get it. Why is it doing that? We'll run it and it'll tell us what's wrong with it. It's not that, then we don't gotta worry about it. So we need something similar for the next one. We got this done. Check this one right here. We'll do it like this. If IA does not equal, if that doesn't equal that, if A doesn't equal B, and B doesn't equal C, and C doesn't equal A, A is not B, B is not C, C is not A. The triangle is a scalene triangle. A lot of if statements here, but it should do its job, no? I can make this to elif, right? Elif. I8 equals. Okay, we do this. I'm gonna change it though. This might. Let me do it like this. Not scalene. It is a. Might have been an easier way to do this, but that's fine as long as it works. Equilateral, right? Let me spell that right. I'm going to be lazy. Do this. Screw it. My fault. No, is it is a goddamn motherfucking Isosceles. You know what I realized? I gotta indent all of this. Boop. 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 Yeah, when you're in your main, you gotta indent every little thing except for that, so you know this is your main. So I think as soon as I enter these three numbers, it's good. It'll just tell me what it is. Unless it's none of those are equal. Okay. Let's try it. Let's run this. Run this bad boy. If it works, I hope it works. You know what? Let me show you. Let's make it pretty. This is how you make it pretty. That little space, game changer. Okay, redo. Redo. It's supposed to put it. Oh, silly me. Silly me. I put it in the wrong spot. It goes right here between the quote. And you'll see why. It adds a little space so it's not right up against what your print is, your input I meant. What is the length of the side of the triangle? Let's go 90, 60, 20. Wait. Wait. Okay. Okay, wait. 60. What? So less than 120? Am I losing it? Oh, okay. Isosceles, is that right? Oh yeah, because you got two sides the same, one is different. That gives you your isosceles, right? Up here, we'll test that out. Two of the same sides. That works. Okay, we'll do all the same. Doop, doop. Oh, yeah, invalid. I figured. Try again. 80, 80, 80. Whew, we did it. If all are different. So we need one plus the other to be greater than one of the sides. So we need them all to be different though. 80 plus 70 has to be greater than Scalene. Okay, yeah, that works. We did it!